Now we're looking at problem 15, which is actually an equation, which really is solved the same way as the inequalities. We just don't have the signs to worry about anymore. So my first step, reverse order of operations, would be addition and or subtraction. I have addition taking place in this problem, so I will now subtract or do its inverse operation. Positive 5 minus 5 gives me 0. What I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other, so I'm going to subtract 5 from that side. 7 minus 5 is 2 equals r over negative 6. Now I want to remove my negative 6 from the denominator. I accomplish that by multiplying by negative 6. Negative 6 over negative 6 is 1, so that will remain 1r. What I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other side of the equation, so I'm going to multiply this side of the equation by negative 6. So now 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. My r equals negative 12. Number 16, we have a negative x minus 1/3 equals 2/7. So I now need to add 1/3 to both sides of the equation. And I like to keep my fractions lined up just because it helps me to see them more clearly. Now in order for me to add two fractions, I need a like denominator. So 21. 7 times 3 gave me 21, so 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 7 gave me 21, so 1 times 7 is 7. 6 and 7 is 13 over 21 is now equal to negative x. Negative x is the same thing as negative 1x, so I need to divide by negative 1. X will now be negative 13 over 21. Number 17. First thing we need to do is distribute. So 2 times negative a would be negative 2a. 2 times negative 8 would be negative 16. Now minus 15 equals 9. Negative 16 and negative 15 is negative 31. Bring down the rest of our terms. Equals 9. I will add 31 to both sides. 31 plus 9 is 40. And lastly, I will divide by negative 2. So a equals negative 20.